Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to use Circle to search on your Android phone, so you can instantly search anything on your screen without switching apps. Let us get started. Whether you are a casual user, student, or power user, here's what you will learn in this video. How to activate Circle to search on your Android phone. How to use it by circling, highlighting, or tapping anything on screen. What you can search like products, texts, places, and more. And lastly, important tips. Let us get started. Step number 1. Activate Circle to search. First, open any app where you want to use Circle to search, like YouTube, Instagram, Chrome, Gallery, or TikTok. Now press and hold the home button or the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. Your screen will slightly dim and the Circle to search tool will appear. Step number 2. Use Circle to search. Now simply circle an object. Highlight text. Google will instantly show results without leaving your current app. Examples of what you can search. You can use Circle to search to identify products, translate text, find clothing or gadgets online, search landmarks or places, copy text from videos or photos, and much more. And for disclaimer purpose, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Features, menu names, and availability may vary depending on your Android device model, region, and software version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Google, Samsung, or any Android manufacturer. Please use features at your own discretion. And that is how to use Circle to search on Android. It is one of the fastest and smartest ways to search anything on your phone. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more Android tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.